So if you want to use interpreter on your Samsung Galaxy A26, first of all, scroll down from the top right corner and check whether you have any built-in interpreter. Unluckily, we don't have any built-in interpreter, so it's totally fine. Let's open up our Play Store and let's install our Google Translate, for example. Let's press install and let's give it some time to be installed. Now let's press open. Great. So here we can use it as a classic interpreter, or we can press conversation. Give it all the necessary permissions, and now we have our language auto detect on. So as you see, the more I speak, the more it translates, and it does it in the real time. Easy as that. When you'll finish speaking, the microphone will turn on for your conversation, and basically that's how it works. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.